everybody, welcome back to Southeast by Midwest. I'm Cassie and today we're unboxing the latest Walmart beauty box. I say latest because I really don't know what season that they're in because they're so behind on their shipping and it's all weird and I think I got screwed out of a box and who knows. So if you want to know what's in this box, just keep watching. Here on Southeast by Midwest, before we talk about the products, we disclose. And the disclosure for this is there's nothing disclosed. I can do this on my own. Walmart probably has no idea who I am. The Walmart beauty box is done by Walmart. It costs $5, which is just supposed to be the price of shipping. And you get a variety of products in here. I don't think they've ever done a full size. They may have done like a mascara. Items are usually travel size or foil samples. By the way, I do have a series called Foiled Again where I'm using up beauty samples and updating you each month. These will not be going into that. I will review these in addition to those products, and I will come back next month and tell you about this. So inside we got some Nivea tissue paper, and the first thing that I see automatically is this Pantene Foam Sheer Volume Conditioner. I can already tell you I won't use this. I will either be giving this to someone, putting it on a trade site. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with it, but I will not be using this because this is literally the 5th sample of this product, and I don't particularly care for it. So there's no sense in me using it. However, we do have a My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch from Sue. So we will give this a try and see how it works. We've got a foil packet of Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. We have another foil packet of the Nivea Body Lotion with Aloe Vera. That explains the tissue paper. Although I think Target sent a Nivea foaming body wash, and it was like an actual can of it. They have the actual Nivea branded tissue paper, and all I got was a foil packet. We have a foil packet of a Kleenex Wet Wipe Gentle Clean, which includes 1 wet wipe. We have a new Freeman Hydrating Cactus and Cloudberry Water Gel Mask. This is a leave-on mask. I have not seen this one in stores yet, so I'm actually super excited about this one. We have a Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. And we have a little cute jug of Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal Cleansing Micellar Water. Supposedly great for oily skin. I might give this a test just to see how it does. And then I might just give this to someone else after I've tested it. That's everything in the Walmart beauty box. I actually am intrigued by a couple of the items in there. Of course, a little miffed that a lot of them were foil packets. But that's actually on par for a Walmart beauty box, and it is only $5. So hopefully you found this video fun and informative. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. It really does help. Make sure to follow me on the social media link down below so you don't miss anything. If you would like, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Make sure to leave me a comment telling me which item you'd like most out of the box. And until next time, bye!